Hello everyone. My name is Disha, and I recently scored 99.68 percentile in the CAT examination. So, I chose Career Launcher for my exam preparation. And overall, what I would say is that their study material is very good and very well adapted to the exam pattern. And their mock tests, like the interface itself, is very good, and the analysis is very comprehensive. It's very understandable, and throughout the entire process it helped give a very structured approach to my preparation, and the mentors were super helpful as well, so I would recommend it.